Guys, do you want to learn how to make an airplane? I'll teach you today. First, fold this in half like this. You must make it nearly in this part. I can do it very slow to let you see. When I finish this, I'll show you how it would look. Okay. Like this. All the tips must be in the same direction. Okay, next, you must put this very strong and do these. Okay, next, you have to fold this part of direction in here. I'll show you how it looks. This is how you make it. Must look at this part, bend it in, and must make it straightly or it won't be work. Next, put your airplane. The next part you have to fold it another part in the same. You have to do the same direction. And then press down. Same direction now. Next, fold this whole part. This part, you have to find it and fold it like this. I'll show you when I finish it. It's a pretty easy way to make this airplane because a lot is hard. And I'll have two ways to make it. There are two ways to make this airplane. Very fast and very good to use and play. This is how it looks. It looks like an airplane right now, but it won't fly that good. So you must do another time. So it looks like this if you do it. Okay, next, fold this part again. Repeat it 2 more times. Like this, and then 1 more time. Like this. Okay, then you have made this airplane. And when you look inside, it must be the same. If it's not the same, you have did wrong. So like this. Make this pointy and then fly a lot. Okay, next. So the other airplane I'm gonna be showing you to make, get the same paper you made this. Then fold this part in this direction. The same direction you have fold in that one. It's when you make it, it's same type, but it's the version of making it not the same. So you must fold it in the right direction. Wait. Okay. Yes. Okay. And then make it fold in the same direction or it won't work a lot of time. It will like bend, break, and must make it correct direction. Don't need to make so correct or it also will like crash. Remember to make this firmly. And then you have to open it and then fold this part. I'll show you how it looks. In this line, it must fold it in the right line so it's bit of difficult to learn to make this parts. Okay, like this. You see, like this. Okay. Then we have to fold right in here. So I'll show you how it works. So fold this right here. Okay. Pretty hard fold, I know. That's why the first one is easier than the second one. Okay. Now it's the same directions like this. Okay? It's same direction. Like it's made the same type of like this. It's now we have folded and it's same. Looks the same now. So now fold at the gap of this part. Then the rest, I think it's same like this to make. So keep on folding it and unfold it. Folding it and unfold it. And then you can get it. I'll show you. And you can make tones of airplane if you learn. Okay, you can choose two ways. It can make the same tones of everything, and you can have fun with it. And it will fly so far. Can not imagine. Okay, now it looks like this. Okay, you're done. If you want to make it fancier, you can fold this tip and make it fancier. But must be careful or it won't work well. Okay. This is how you do it. Okay. Done. So this is how you make this two type of airplane. But it's same. So bye. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and learn more.